So the purpose of this video is to show you how you can use a Hospivac with VacSax liners instead of the FlowVac liners that we've always recommended with these. These don't have a filter, okay, which does mean that if you don't have an external filter like this, then it may obviously get into the machine and then break the machine. So you do have to have a filter, but you just use an external one like this, which is a Hospivac filter from CAMI. So the number one issue is that these canisters, the VacSax canisters, have to be used with the VacSax liners. Now, the VacSax canisters are not made to fit a Hospivac machine, okay? We've tried different methods and it doesn't work. So they're only designed to fit the CAMI ones and the FlowVac ones. But what I found is, if you just close in on that, if you get that into the loop as well on the machine, then it fits perfectly. So if you want to just zoom in a little bit. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to show you, if you get that on the inside of the ring, that it's a perfect, non-wobbly, non-vibrating fit. Okay, so we'll put it that way around, and it fits perfectly. Then you're now able to use the VacSax in place of the FlowVacs. They come in 2 litre sizes, and that's what we're going to be selling initially. I think they come in 3 litres as well. But you'd have to get the canister, the 3 litre canister, for that to work with the 3 litre liners, obviously. Now, this is the rest of the conversion kit that we'll be selling. Okay, minimal cost really, especially if you're doing a lot of wax minerals. Then the money you would save on the VacSax liners would be quite a lot, because VacSax do seem to be a reasonable amount cheaper than the FlowVacs. Now then, so I've already got a connector tube on there, and we're going to use, that's a patient tube. Okay, so that'll come with the pack as well. And we've got 2 tubes here. We're going to put a filter between them. So if we open it up, so get the filter out, and all you do is one on there like that, and one on there like that. I don't think it matters which way these are around. Then we're going to have to get the this little adapter that plugs into the VacSac. And we put that in there like that, and then that will now go into here. That goes onto your CAMI adapter, and then you've got your patient tube, which goes on this side, and that is pretty much it. Okay.